are going hungry. They are sleeping with our women. After sleeping with them, they will use stick under their vigil, which is very bad. Government of Enugu State.
My wonderful people, the enemies of Biafra are not backing down. The enemies of Biafra, they are not backing down, they are not sleeping. Yes, they are always active. You know why? Because they want them. In fact, they are doing every possible means to make sure say Biafra did not liberate, but they came too late. In this time around, they are not using our own people. They are not using the politicians. After using the politicians, they will dump them. Then the politicians are the one now using our own youths. After using the youth, they will still dump them. What is happening will still happening in this country. But this time around, they came very too late. My wonderful people, watch this video. This video that I'm about to watch like this, watch this video and share this video. Spread this message. Let this video go viral. As you're watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button. Like and spread this message all over the world. An injustice for one is an injustice for all. Yes, because you may think that is not yet your time. But if you not condemn that evil, when did you know that it's going to be your own turn? When it is your turn, when Mr. Nobody is shouting, then you that is Mr. Somebody, when it happened to you, Mr. Somebody will keep quiet over it.
Government of Enugu State. Our farm settlement occupied. The one able to buy the simple. The one on the Mayo. The one on the Mayo, the one able to buy the witness. How do you know? Here you bought them 2 million naira. 1 million si can na dia anangu. Na kwa ni aja na menu di suzo. Aso na dia. And then you know when one ike ereku kita. Na one ahu. Notina and that's your shidike. Notina kita na eji pabe ya. Kedi e Fulani were na umu wanyi. They are crying. Government of Enugu State.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you, pending your time zone. Biafrans, I am here to give you updates on our Prime Minister and what is going on. And truth be told, our Prime Minister is doing wonderfully well. I keep telling you people that. Now, Nigerian terrorist government brought a weighty allegation over our Prime Minister, which the weighty allegation was that he was a terrorist, terrorizing the whole of the Southeast and the government of Nigeria. And when this was being put to check, trying to investigate all what Nigerian government has brought to Finnish authority, and what he said was that our Prime Minister is no longer a terrorist, that he is inciting us via his social media platforms. And they said, okay, what evidence do you have? So now the terrorist Nigerian government, headed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the drug lord, now said that the cyber incitement that they are bringing the evidence will be available in 6 months. And this is what our Prime Minister is going through today. Now, it is for our own good. Don't worry, it is for our own good. Now, because other countries were involved, what happened is that they now give us time they now give Nigerian government time to produce evidence. Without this evidence, they are going to, completely lift every restriction on our Prime Minister. And Biafrans, all this thing is happening for our own good. Now, the reason why they said 6 months is this. They never saw Madam Ngozi Orabueze in the picture. They thought when this happens that the followers of Mazi Simon Ekpa and the Biafrans will run away. And this is what they did. Intimidation. But today, they did not see our Deputy Prime Minister coming. And the woman has now climbed the leadership mantle and held it with all humility. Now, I want to tell Nigerian government this, that what you have done is to catapult us to the next level. You will keep making mistakes that will always take us to our new level. Up till today, the Nigerian government has not been able to prove any case against our Prime Minister. Up till this moment that I'm speaking, the Nigerian terrorist government has not been able to come to Finland to prove their case, to defend any documents. And today, we have been able to put Musa away completely. Today, Musa is no more talking about Mazi Simon Ekpa. Today, Musa is no more in the public domain. Today, we have made sure that Musa can never rise again in Nigeria as a military general. We have done that because today Musa has completely gone. He has run away because he knows what is going to come after. If he steps his foot in Biafran land, he knows what is going to come. So we are not scared of telling him. Biafra is now a sovereign nation, and our 60 days still stand. Now we are running down to 30 days. And Nigerian government in our soil will see what they have never seen in their life. It is not a threat because our nation is a sovereign nation. And I want to use this opportunity to tell every Biafrans, be resolute, be laser focused on the mandate. The mandate, the date is 29th of November 2024. That is our mandate, and nobody can take that away from us. Now, I suddenly stop hearing online country. It seems you people have started realizing that Biafra is here for real. And let me tell you, all the killings that you did, all the unaliving that you did from December till this March that we are in, we never go unpunished. Retaliation is a must by the Biafran government. And I'm telling you people this. I'm not threatening anybody and I'm not joking, because we cannot lose such people and go and fold our hands. You will see what is bigger than you. And I want to warn Soludo that you can never conduct election in Anambra State. It's not a joke. You can never conduct any election whatsoever in Anambra State. All these things that you are doing, we are watching you. No governor in the whole of the Southeast will conduct election. Believe you me. For those people who are threatening the government, you should cease fire. Cease fire, because the fire that is coming, you cannot comprehend it. And I want Biafrans to understand that nobody should bully them at this moment. Anybody that bullies you, rise up to the occasion. to defend yourself. Nobody should bully you. And I want to tell the government of Nigeria that all these things you people are doing, all this nonsense you are doing, it is coming to an end. You can never kill any Biafran and go scot-free again. I'm giving you this thing. Now, I went to France the other day. The people I saw from the airport to my hotel room were all youths. And I keep wondering, when people like me come to talk here, they come to attack me. Oh, you don't have sense, you don't have a job, you are chasing cloud. And I begin to wonder, if Nigerian youths are able to travel outside the country, honestly, you people will be the one, trying to bring revolution in Nigeria. Like Showore is fighting for the poor people today. Like Showore is fighting for the less privileged today. You don't know what these people are ripping you off, and that's why you are always quick to attack us. So I am asking the Nigerian terrorist government to desist from doing anything that they're doing in the whole of the Southeast. We gave you 30 days and we're counting down. 60 days and we're counting down. Today we are counting down on the 30 days, and it's going to definitely happen. Desist from anything Biafra. Take it away from our soil. Anything Nigeria, take it away from our soil. Biafra is being redeclared. Biafra is now a nation. And I don't see all of these people who come and say online country, online country. I think for right now, you've started realizing that online country is coming to be real. So, the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I keep telling Nigerian government, is what will dissolve Nigeria completely. Go and mark my word. Is the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will dissolve Nigeria completely. Nigeria can never exist in Biafran land again. Believe you me. I am not here to threaten anybody, because our state, our nation is a sovereign nation. It is being redeclared, and such should hold. The illegitimate president of Nigeria, the drug lord, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for what you have been doing in the Southeast by killing our people. We will rise to the occasion very soon. And I'm telling you, this is no joke. All the people you have killed, retaliation for them is a must, and we will carry it out. Believe you me. Thank you, Biafrans, for this short clip. I must stop and attend to other things. May God bless you all. Follow Madam Ngozi Orabueze. She is the one taking us to the new dimension, and she is the one holding on to the mandate of Simon Ekpa, of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Every other people, every other persons are fraud. I will come and expose Sonny Aparawa very soon, maybe in my next video. Thank you, Biafrans, and may God bless you all. Believe that, government.